989 days till the new halving. Crypto fear and greed index is at 73%, which is greed, and Bitcoin is currently trading at a 48.2k, which is obviously slightly above our support, 48k support and uptrend support. Last 3 candles we tested this support, but getting rejected gladly, and obviously hoping for a second test of the 50k and maybe a breakout. We had some small pump in the volume, like a slight pump in the volume in this candle that we had like a 2.2k pullback, leg down, let's just say like that, but nothing important. But yeah, right now is obviously testing the support. MA ribbon is currently we are currently trading inside of the MA ribbon on a 4-hour time frame, but we're still below above MA ribbon on a daily time frame, which is obviously bullish for a daily time frame. But 4-hour time frame has some negative indicators, which is MACD. It's currently in a red phase on a 4-hour time frame, and RSI is looking neutral. Daily RSI were but MACD neutral. Weekly still looking bullish, having some small pullback, like as it was expected after a huge bull run, but I mean nothing to be worried about. But again, we still got this support, and obviously current focus on this support right now. As we're gonna break it, as we're gonna have a bounce from it to the 50k resistance. We'll see in the next hours, obviously. So that's all TA for today. Let's move on to the news, and let's start with the Mark Cuban. He called SEC chairman Gary Gensler out on his investor protection focus. So he said that SEC has made its regulation unclear and near impossible for anyone to follow, asserting that regulation through litigation traps all the people who cannot afford a lawyer, accountant, or advisor. So that's some interesting words from Mark Cuban to the SEC. Also, we got huge, I mean, nobody surprised. Microstrategy buys 3.9k Bitcoin. Company now holds 109 roughly 1,000 Bitcoins. So yeah, and approximately he bought $177 million. So yeah, that's some recent positive news from Microstrategy. Also, we got some news from United Wholesale Mortgage. It's the second largest US mortgage lender in the US, and he's about to take Bitcoin payments and accept them. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good news. Also, we got some updates about infrastructure bill. So apparently the House will consider the infrastructure bill at the end of the next month, which is September. So somewhere at 27th of September that would be, but they are considering, so it's not like 100% approved. So we'll see what's gonna be with the infrastructure bill. But obviously right now we're currently watching this 48k and uptrend support, hoping for a quick bounce to the 50k. We are squeezing this triangle-ish resistance support line, so hoping obviously for the breakout for the second test. But obviously after a huge bull run, what is that, like 71%, oh my god. I mean, after 71% having a nice pullback, nobody would judge Bitcoin for that, you know, because it's a pretty big move. But again, like a short-term pullback, that would be nice, but not like a new low. Like we don't need those. So yeah, or start a new bear market. Hell no. So yeah, guys, hoping for the breakout of the 50k, for the nice bounce, for the rejection of the support, and obviously for the moon.